Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to explore how to find duplicate files using FreeCommander. So, let's dive in and get started. First, go ahead and download and install your free copy of FreeCommander. You can find it on their official website. Just follow the prompts to complete the installation, and you'll be ready to start managing your files in no time. For this tutorial, I've prepared some pictures to help illustrate the process. First, you can use FreeCommander's built-in tools, like the thumbnail view, for a quick visual comparison of your files. To view all files in all subfolders, simply use the shortcut Ctrl+B. It seems we've already found some duplicate pictures. To analyze them further, let's use the built-in duplicate finder in FreeCommander. To launch this tool, simply press Ctrl+F. This will open up the search dialog. Make sure that the Start folder is set up correctly, then select the Duplicates tab. Now, let's define the search criteria for duplicates by ticking the appropriate checkboxes. First, you can choose to search for files with the same names. The lower pane will now display the duplicates based on their names. Note the duplicate criteria on the right-hand side. Now, check the box for same file extension to include it in your search. Once you've set your criteria, click the Find button to start the search. You've found fewer potential duplicates based on these two parameters. As you can see from the file size, even though the names and extensions are the same, these two pictures are different based on their size. This indicates that they are not exact duplicates. Tick the box for same size and search again. Now, these three pictures are the same based on their name, extension, and size, which suggests they might be duplicates. To confirm, let's check the same content 10d5 sum option and press the Find button. Voila! You've found all duplicates based on the file hash. Just a quick note. If you're wondering about the probability that two files with the same ND5 sum are not identical, it is non-zero. I asked a chatbot about this, and that's what it responded. If you want to be absolutely sure, consider using another hashing algorithm for added confidence in your results. To compare files, you can use the preview function by pressing Ctrl+Q. This will allow you to view the contents of the selected files side by side, making it easier to confirm whether they are truly duplicates or not. After previewing the files, you can use the Delete button to remove the duplicate file. Let's clean up all the duplicates. Once you've removed them, I'll show you another option for visual comparison using a third-party tool like Beyond Compare. This tool offers advanced features that can help you analyze and compare files in more detail. These two pictures look the same visually in FreeCommander's thumbnail view. Select both of them, then right-click to open the context menu and choose the Compare option. This will allow you to see a side-by-side comparison to confirm if they are indeed identical. That's it for today. To wrap it up, now you know how to find and manage duplicate files in FreeCommander. Thanks for watching.